Bitcoin setup which nobody sees. But it's right here today in that video, guys. We're going to show you that setup which nobody sees about Bitcoin chart. So stay tuned till the end. As you see, guys, that weekly candle here, it finished. Bitcoin here in the weekly, it gives us here another pin bar or another hammer here. What that indicating? Is it the same thing like how it happened here? It happened again here. So that telling us one thing, if that pin bar here play and the coming week it close like that, a red candle next to it like that, we're going to see that Bitcoin from here dumping. We got here a bearish divergence here in the weekly, guys. I'm going to show it to you that indicating the top is very close. If we watch yesterday video about the on-chain analysis, it's telling us the same thing. And based on the history, always the top of Bitcoin, it becomes September till December, guys. And also we are very close. So based on technical analysis, fundamental, and if we calculate in even time, also we are very close, guys. So you need to be careful. Don't listen to those fake gurus online. Majority of them, they just started trading that Bitcoin, and some of them, they haven't been in other cycles, or if they been, maybe they just by luck, they don't know how to calculate in those cycles. Remember those things very well. Now here, what is it the view, guys? Here in the weekly, first we still have here that smaller uptrend we got in daily and 4 hours, but here in weekly we got that one here. We got that one here, guys, as you see it, that one here. Is it a big uptrend here? Till now we haven't break it. That meant technically, if we're looking at it as an uptrend, look at it, guys, how many times it's being touched. That the first, that the second, and that the third time. That means a very stronger uptrend. So for us to make a decision or a trade, I'm talking here about short, it's need that one here to break it like that for also thinking of to catch that short. At this time there is nothing, so also we still wait until the right time here. I'm talking about weekly. Based on weekly here, it's telling us it's still going above. The only thing, that bearish divergence, I'm going to show it to you guys here in the weekly. Look at it here. Look at that peak here, that one, compared to that one, and compared to the one of today. And no, it's not clear, let me zoom it a little bit. You see it, guys, here we got a very clear bearish divergence here in the weekly. You see it here, and look at it here. Yes, here we haven't touched the top of that one here, but now based on the RSI, also we are touching the downtrend of the bearish divergence, guys, as you see it down here. What that indicating? Indicating you need to be careful, my friend. That's the only thing. Based on fundamental, I show you in yesterday's stock flow, it changed the color depending if you use it in black background, it changed to yellow. In white background, it changed to green. Here, that one, we got that bearish divergence. Now, also, we are in July. Sun is going to be August. So you need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. If you are one of those people they sell in, it's the right time to start taking off some profit by tranches. If you are one of those people that don't sell and you want to hedge risk, it's time to start shorting by future, guys. I will not say that the top maybe is going to go more higher to 130 or something like that, but we are very close, guys. That the only things, the fact is it in front of you. We give you 3 things here. So you need to be careful based on the analysis also we show you before. You remember it? Because I know someone, he came to me, he told me he waiting the Bitcoin to still continue upward 2026. There is no 2026 unless if that 4-year cycle change, and that's impossible to change because even in stock market there is a cycle. Look at it, guys, 500. Also we show you those things before. We told you 500 days before the halving and 500 after the halving, and now we are very close to the 500 days after the halving, guys. See that line here? Also we are very close to it, and me a market here, as you see it, guys, a market here 29th of September, but me, I'm going to start it earlier than that. The target of me here, the one with yellow, it's being hit, guys, as you see it here. Now let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can say. And those targets, guys, you see the one here with green. We put it on the Bitcoin, it dumped from here, it fell down to 74k. Now the next target is it here, 29th of September, and that one is going to start the bear market, guys. Remember that. Not the only things is in front of you, guys. Let's hope that Bitcoin to push more higher, at least 130k or something like that. Not the only things I can say, guys. Now, by the way, before we continue, guys, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Down below in the description of that video, there is that button here, written in it, subscribe, click at it, turn the notification to all. Next to it, there is a thumbs up or a like button, click at it, smash it. If you want our daily swing trading long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord. Of course, if you are interested, the link of our Patreon is it down, as you see it here, that one here. You click at the link of our Patreon. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see that one here, see member option, that one here, click at it. It's going to open for you here 3 tiers, guys. We got the position, we got the VIP member and elite member. That one here, if you are just a long term and you don't want to interact with smaller time frames, that one here, it give you all the crypto services also we offer. And that one here, the elite, it give you the crypto services plus the stock long term investment and SPY options. So you read the description of each and every one of them. When you are satisfied and you want to join us, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you want to text me before you join us, you can check the free Telegram or free Discord. The link of them are down. Talk to me and I'm going to explain to you more. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now guys, let's go into see the coming news for all the week. Here we are, guys, at the coming news for all the week. As you see it here, that the news we got all that week. Today there is a holiday in Japan. Tuesday we got Fed Chair Powell speak. That's when he's going to talk and he's going to tell us what Donald Trump, that rumors he being spreading, the Fed Jerome Powell, he's going to resign or something. He's going to reply us. Then Wednesday what we got exiting home sales and crude oil inventory. Thursday, what we got the interest rate decision of the Eurozone. So we need to be careful about that one, guys. We got Crystal Lagarde, she's going to talk at 12:45. Even that one, we need to be careful for what she's going to say. Then we got SP Global Manufacturing PMI, SP Global Service PMI, and new home sales. Friday, we got durable goods orders. That's the news we got all the week, guys. The most important day is it here, Thursday, and even a little bit Friday, plus tomorrow when Jerome Powell speak. You need to be careful about those things. Over here is our friend. The table of us, we're looking at it every day, and no, majority of you don't like those things. So today we're going to post it, guys. The only things I need to notice here, it's the VIX 16.88. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in daily. And yesterday it closed here a red candle. Today he tried to push above, but till now he found in a stronger push from above here. Now what is it, the view? The view now, also we still stuck here, and Bitcoin look like it's going to stay sideways here. That number one scenario. Second scenario maybe is going to apply at a bearish divergence, and we're going to see it dumping from here. Even that one, it's possible. Now also what we got that up channel now, and now we are in the border of it here. Now if we break it, guys, we're going to dump here. In daily we're still in an uptrend, guys. Not the only things I can tell you, but in 4 hours and lower, also we are in a downtrend, and you need to be careful from those things what I'm telling you here. Here in daily, we're still in an uptrend. The only things, if you remember what I told you, we got here that inside bar, and also we're still waiting it. No matter how long we stay inside the range of that inside bar, there is no clear direction. So also we're still waiting which direction we're going to catch. If we're breaking the lower of that inside bar, we're going to dump. If we're breaking the top of it, we're going to go to a new all-time high, guys. I think I explained everything to you here. We don't need to make that video too long. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin in 12 hours, as you see it touch a very stronger zone here, or the 20 moving average here. It give us here a pin bar. Now what is it, the view? I'm going to show you in relation to lower time frames, but you need to see that stronger zone here. It started building here. You need to look at it. If we are going to stay sideways like that, it started building here a zone, guys, so we need to be careful from it. The levels or zones, we need to look at them close up for today. Let me show it to you. Levels or zones, guys, we still have here that 121,709. We still have here that 115,997. You can add even that one here, 111,959. And we got another one above here, which is that one here, 127,880, guys. So this was the levels here in Bitcoin in 12 hours. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in 4 hours. It gives us now here a very clear triangle here, as you see it, guys, here. And that one here is a triangle, very clear. If we break in the lower of it here, like that, guys. If we break in the top of it here, same thing. So as we are ready for all the scenarios, we show you if we break in the top, it's going to give us like that, like a pennant, and that indicating a continuation pattern, guys. Maybe the market is going to go more higher, but if it's breaking down here, it's going to dump. And also we're ready for everything. We show you those things thousands of times here. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here. We are playing here between those moving averages, plus we are in a very stronger zone here. Look at it here. And also we're going to see which direction we're going to catch. Either we're breaking above here as I show you. We go long, short, maybe we go to fall down to that 115. And also we're ready for everything. We told you if you want exactly when also we enter, we will put a take profit, stop lose, you can join us. But it's up to you, my friend. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's still touching here that zone. Then also we're going to see if it's going to dump or not. Now it's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Ethereum, same thing. Look at it. We still have here that very sharp up channel like that. You can make it like that. Now maybe it's going to go more higher. Here in 4 hours, we don't got a clear picture. Let me to show you the Ethereum in weekly, guys. Let me show you those things. Here in the Ethereum in weekly, guys, we got a different picture in smaller time frames. You see that zone here, that one here, how many times we touch it, that the first, that the second, that the third, and now we came back again. That's when the 4th time. In the weekly, it's getting weaker, yes, but it's a very stronger weekly zone, guys. You need to be careful from it. If we break it, we're going to give us a new all-time high, and also we're ready for everything. Now, let's see it in daily, guys. Here we are, guys, in the Ethereum here in daily. Those ones, the zones, I told you to look after them or to look at them. I told you that one here, 35.52, and I told you that one here, 41.02. And we got even that one above here, 49.31. So those ones, the 3 levels, you need to look close at them, which one is going to be hit for you to make a decision. At this time, it's still in a sharp uptrend that Ethereum, there is no sign it's going to reverse. So you need to be careful from those things, my friends. So I think I explained everything here. Now we're going to see our indicator, what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, same thing. Look at it. It's staying here at the extreme overbought area, but there is no sign yet telling us the market is going to dump. And also, we're still waiting for us to give us an entry short. At this time, the Ethereum to buy it is very expensive. Let's wait the correction to see what's going to happen. Now we're going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Sol, same thing. Look at it, very sharp uptrend here. Here in 4 hours, there is no clear direction. Here in 4 hours, there is nothing to analyze, guys. It's still pumping here. We got the Sol in weekly, guys. Let me show you what is it there. If you're looking here in the Sol in the weekly, guys, it's a different picture here. People there with me, they are very happy. Exactly those ones of spot. We buy it from here exactly, guys, from $94. And me personally, I'm still holding mine. Because now if you look in here in the weekly, you see the double bottom may have been showing you in daily before. Look at it, guys, it's very close to be broke. That's when the Sol is going to go more higher. Even here, the downtrend like that, that one is getting broke long time. Sol is going to go more higher, but with leverage, also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. The only thing we need to focus on about that very stronger supply and demand zone. The only thing we need to focus on about that very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. So everything is still looking great here. Now let's see that Sol we're doing today in daily. Here we are, guys. The Sol here in daily, it's still very stronger. The 20 moving average, it's breaking the 200 moving average. The zone or levels, you need to look close at them. We showed it to you yesterday, but it's okay to repeat it even today. We told you yesterday that zone here, 195, and now we just touch it, guys. So everything can happen now. It can see a correction from there, or maybe we're going to break it and we go to that 218. Plus, we got that one down here, 171. So those ones, the stronger support and resistance in the Sol. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter again to extreme overbought area. So technically, you need to be careful. Short. We shorted. At this time, no, my friend, there is nothing here. Even if you came and you do here a sharp uptrend like that, it needs to be broke for you to try to catch that short. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the XRP here, Ripple, same thing, nothing new here. It started showing to us as if it's going to give us here a price action. So also we're still waiting to see what's going to happen here. If it's going to give us there a price action indicating the market is going to reverse, also we're going to catch it. You can even come here and do a very sharp uptrend here. And we waited if it's going to be broke for us to catch that short. We got something else here in the XRP in daily and weekly. Let me show it to you. Here in the weekly, guys, the XRP is breaking that last high here, as you see it here. That in the weekly, guys. So what shall we do here? We still have here that very sharp uptrend like that. So also we are ready for everything, but also we need to see that XRP in daily. Let me show it to you. Here in daily, guys, those ones the zones, you need to look at them. We told you 399 and we told you that 340 and that one down here 293. Those ones the three levels, you need to look at them. Now let's go into see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in 30 minutes, same thing. Also yesterday we entered a long from here till above here. Now we enter a short. At this time, look at it here. Now what is it the view if you're missing the long or short? Over here, the market try to give you here like a small head and shoulder in 30 minutes, guys. If it's breaking the neckline here, you can catch that short, or you can come to the tail of that candle here and the tail of that one, and you're connecting them like that, guys, and you're waiting the break here for you to catch a short, because now the Bitcoin it look like it's sideways here. The only thing you can come and do something like that, but that one is going to be very sharp, guys. As my view personally, Bitcoin is going to fall down to here, because also in 4 hours we are in a downtrend, and we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping, guys, either to that 117 or more than that. So also we're ready for everything, and that way also we're telling you if you want exactly when also we enter, we will put in stop, lose, take profit and all those things, you can join our VIP Discord. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, it touched here extreme overbought area. Now it's falling down. It's going to enter to the zone where is the bears they trend. That means it's going to enter to a downtrend. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like that video, make sure to smash the like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.